When it comes to plumbing, installing Teflon tape is very simple. You just need to know how. I'll show you in 5 minutes. Teflon tape, or PTFE tape for polytetrafluoroethylene, is mainly used for two purposes. The first is to lubricate the joint. Without it, it's very difficult to screw in our connection, and without it, once rust sets in, it will fuse our connection together and we won't be able to dismantle them. Threaded seals are also subject to minor imperfection due to their rough machining. Teflon tape will help to prevent leaks, but its main function is to lubricate the threads. There are several types of tapes. White tape is the one we're most familiar with. It's sold in all hardware stores and is what we call a single density tape. It's very easy to tear. Pink tape is mainly used in industry for water, hydraulic, pneumatic pipe. Its density is twice that of the white, and as you can see, it's more stronger. Then there's yellow tape, with the same density as pink tape. It's used for gas pipe, whether natural gas or propane. Green tape is used for oxygen lines, and silver tape for stainless steel line. In any case, always rely on the information provided by the manufacturer. To install, follow just a few steps. First, make sure that your threads are clean. Position your ribbon at the second thread to release the first thread and avoid obstructing the pipe. Make 2 or 3 turns in the same direction as the threads. And to cut, simply tear it with your finger. You'll find it much easier to insert the pipe and screw it all the way in. If you're like me and you have big fingers, or you need to work in a place where the roll of tape can fit, wrap the tape around a pencil. Then, use the pencil to apply the ribbon. Again, the same principle. Start at the second thread, make 2 or 3 turns in the sense of the thread, pull it, perfect. Here, I'm gonna show you all the mistakes you should not make. First, the ribbon is far too close to the end. The ribbon rotates at the opposite side direction to the thread. The ribbon overflows on the inside, and too much Teflon has been used. As you can see, the tape inside will create an obstruction. Now let's try to insert our connection. Look, the Teflon is unwinding. no way it can restrict leaks. So remember, leave 1 or 2 threads free. Apply the tape in the direction of the thread's rotation and don't make more than 2 or 3 turns. It's useless. That's the end of our video. I hope you found it useful and you enjoy it. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Have a nice day, take care of yourself and your close one.